Along the floor, I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you, you're walking across the campus, cool professor studying romance.
Hello, corpse.
Hello, Pokey. I'm not gonna murder you.
Okay, just making sure.
You're pretty cool.
The imposter.
You're not gonna choke me like you hate me.
Shut the fuck up.
I have a fear of the word which is spelt A-A-G-H exclamation mark. That word. Why don't you tell me a bit about yourselves? Starting with you.
Hi everyone, my name's Jim, and I have a fear of apologies.
Sorry? Oh, apologies.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Things about my pet grooming job that just makes sense. Little Clifford here, shitting on the wall right after I was done with cleaning and about to start drying. Yeah, think about it being a groomer before you actually do it.
Okay, so I bought one of those things that lets you FaceTime your dog and shoot treats at them. But today I was looking at the camera and I noticed that she's been taking all her treats behind the couch for some reason. So I went to go see what she was doing with them, and she's been storing them so that she can pretend like I never gave her one in the first place and then ask for more like the fat little bitch she is. And yes, I can call her that because bitch means female dog, and she is a female dog. Anyways, I had enough of her scamming me, so I decided to empty out the treat machine and fill it with her least favorite treat. Green beans, baby! I put a bean on the plate and cut it up into small little pieces, and then I loaded it into the machine, and I shot it out at her, and at first she didn't want to eat it, but then she got bored, and she ate them, and I was so happy because I thought I got her on a diet, until I heard a weird coughing noise come from downstairs. I ran downstairs to see what was happening, and that's when I saw her on my beanbag bed, next to the beans when she had thrown out. Oh, I got beans in my bed!